Well, I'm getting out of the package. All right, let's check it out. Oogie doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. There's paper. We have bagged items. And a box within a box. Alright. So, again, these all came from Army Navy Outdoors. So, let's see what we got here. Wasn't sure which size would fit, so I got one of each. These are U.S. issue Frog, F-R-O-G, combat glove, fire retardant. Let's see here. These ones are Camelbak, and this one is a different brand. So let's go through both of these, I guess. Ansell Hawkeye. And which size are these? These are supposed to be extra large. Well, they're pretty tight fit, so I guess according to them, I'm an extra large. So let's check out these Camelbaks. Let's see a difference in it as well. This one came with a desk pack. So the first ones just had this as a category barcode. This one seems to have, yeah, Camelbak item code there. But then this other item code. This will have, does this come out? Yes, it does. So more information from Camelbak and a product description there. And let's see how theirs are. So this size is supposed to be large. Paper separator. They're about the same as the other ones, so I think I picked correctly by instinct somehow. So, two versions of the Frog fire retardant. That's how they're listed. This one's goat leather, 55%, and 45% aramid from the Ansell Hawkeye. This one, have to see if there's an actual designation here. Nomex 92%, 5% Kevlar, 3% P140 conductive anti-static fiber, 100% para-aramid thread. So pretty succinct label there. Their label, you can see there, and care label. Looks like this one is U.S. issue combat vehicle Crewman's FR. So again, let's see if they specify whether it's resistant or retardant. You know, there's a slight difference. Balaclava, surplus grade, 1 like new. So let's see. See there, it's got the reinforced rim area, kind of the viewing area, then covered, say, mouth area. Perhaps some of your nose will be covered, but not all of it. And pretty thick throughout to this back portion here, and then this kind of flap area you tuck in. See here a little bit of a pull tab. On the inside, here's our label. So $8.89. Okay, so again, Hood Combat Vehicle Crewman's Coveralls, Balaclava. Set that up right there. So, let's see what else we got. This one is a BLACKHAWK branded Coil Tactical Pistol Lanyard, and new. See, here's a little bit of soaking throughout the label. Interesting, something oily got onto there. And it has this Ziploc bag right here. Okay. Business reply card. Folds out. Okay, so a logo, some stock photography, and a little bit of product information with this as well. Alright, so the product itself, you have your kind of loose loop here. It feels like a rubberized plastic. Kind of a sheath here, also plastic. And then the coil itself. And then this kind of hook and latch segment, which will hook to whatever gear. And here's your BLACKHAWK information. See attachment points at that end and this end, similar. So again, BLACKHAWK pistol lanyard with the Coil Tactical. And then in a separate box, Danner MCWB USMC issue Gore-Tex boot. So Marine Corps cold weather. So you can see there, globe and anchor and the eagle. On both. Laces. Here we have a little Danner card. A little bit more information in there. And on the back, more information as well. So, more stuff stuffed inside. Warranty card. And also looks like a servicing for older boots as well, which is kind of cool. Inside labels, you can see a Danner label there, a little bit larger label there. Hopefully these fit. Again, similar label on there. MCWB Speed Lacer. Can pull out what I feel is an insert. It's pretty tight in there, so I'm not actually sure if it will come out. Yep. So they do have a typical insert, and beyond that, I can feel it does have a little bit of give bottom surface, so I'll tuck that back in later. But Danner MCWB Speed Lacer boots there. Bunch of cards as well. We also had, working our way backwards, this BLACKHAWK pistol lanyard with the Coil tactical or tactical coil. We also have here a hood combat vehicle crewmen's for the coverall set. The Balaclava, and this one is supposed to be FR. Then we also had two different sets of US issue FROG combat glove fire retardant. So one extra large, one large. They both fit me pretty well. One from Camelbak, the other from Ansell. And these all came from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.